perfect sell signal today at 10:42 in the morning today, allowing us to nail this beautiful sell-off in today's trading. Now, listen, guys, it's very important you understand what's happening in the market right now. We are in a day trader's dream. Okay, the moves that the market is giving us, regardless of what you trade, okay, whether you trade Forex or futures or stocks and options, it's all good. The market is giving us tremendous opportunities right now. This is a day trader's dream, right? It's our paradise, okay? And when it comes to trading, I'm going to tell you why I absolutely love this volume indicator color band. Look, guys, there's only two ways to look at trading the market, all right? Either you want to trade with the direction of the trend, meaning you want to trade with the volume, or you want to trade against the volume, right? And I decided a long time ago that I want to participate in beautiful, long trend-based moves, meaning that I want to trade with the trend and never against the trend. You understand? Now look, I get it. A lot of you guys are still fumbling and bumbling around with your candlestick charts, what I call these garbage Bollinger Band stochastic oscillator nonsense, right? And if you can figure out how to navigate this garbage, then good for you, okay? Because any system that uses candlesticks or Bollinger Bands, and again, this is just in my opinion, I think these type of systems are complete garbage, okay? And what I realized for myself many years ago is that I want to keep my charts clean. I need a trading system that is logical, that is somewhat obvious, and more important than anything else, it has to make sense, right? In other words, when this volume indicator is green, it tells me to be a buyer. And when this volume indicator is red, as it was all day today, it tells me that I need to short sell this market at any opportunity that I get. You understand? Because look at the length of this trend, guys and gals. We actually started all the way up here. You see it turn red, right? And it just plunged from the opening print to the closing print. We were just in a heavy downtrend today. And of course, I talk about some very high probability setups. All of you guys and gals that are my long-term customers, you know this. Okay, there's really only two ways to play a trend. You can either play the starting point of the color change, which to me is a little bit too aggressive, but it does work, or you can play the pullbacks, or what I've come to refer as the retracements. Okay, and these retracement patterns, which I'm telling you guys, these show up almost every single day on every symbol, Forex, futures, stocks. It's incredible, all right, how often these retracements patterns show up. And if I were going to tell somebody to learn one specific chart pattern, this would be the pattern. Okay, drill these concepts of retracements into your brain, study them every single day, and I can almost guarantee all of you guys and gals out there, all right, those of you that are still struggling with trading, I can almost guarantee that if you master retracements, you will have that aha type moment. You will become enlightened. And I'm convinced that when you learn to properly identify these chart patterns that show up on this volume indicator day after day, all right, then I think it's this type of system that's going to finally get you over the hump and become consistent, okay, both in your trading as well as your technical analysis. So yeah, man, what an incredible day again on this volume indicator color band. Big shout out to all my customers who are brand new, those of you that onboarded the software the last couple of days or couple of weeks. I'm absolutely thrilled that you're having success with this strategy, and I cannot wait to see what this market's going to give us tomorrow. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.